Okay, so now let's talk about mobile optimization. Now, when you're editing your website with Elementor, here at the top, you have three different options. You have desktop, portraits, and then you have mobile portraits. So this is what your website looks like from these specific devices. Let's first optimize our website for tablets. Now, the first thing you'll see is that we have these two buttons. I want to make this so they're more in the centered. So in order to do that, there's a few ways. Here, I'll click on Flexbox. Now, when you're editing your website in this tablet portrait view, you're gonna notice that now you have all these options for tablet portraits. So for example, for the justify contents, I don't have to click anything because we've already selected it. But here you'll see that you can go ahead and choose a specific device. I'm gonna put this in the center, and this will now align this in the center. Next thing I want to do is maybe change this image. Now I'm going to right click over here and click on edit container. And here under style, you're going to see that there is an option for image. And what's really cool with Elementor is you can now change the image for each individual device. So I'll select the portraits and then I'll choose an image. And let's say for the tablet users, I want them to see this background image. So I'll click on select. And now this is my new image for the tablet device. Now really quick, I'm gonna collapse this background and click on background overlay. Now also what's really unique is we can actually apply a background overlay, because notice here, I can't really see this text because the background is too light. Under the color, what I'm gonna do here is select a darker color and we can increase the opacity. Now notice here when I'm editing all of this, this is staying under the tablet portraits. So here you'll see that we can actually make this a little bit darker. Now, of course, this might not be practical. You might want to keep the same image, but I'm just demonstrating that you can completely change the background for each individual device. Now let's scroll down. Now this website automatically is optimized. And also when you create products, they will automatically be optimized by WooCommerce. Okay, and scrolling down, we're gonna see this section. Now, let's just say, for instance, you wanna make this centered. Maybe for specific tablet devices, you're saying, you know, I want this in the centered. You can always use the Flexbox and just center align the content in the center. Okay, there we go. And we can do the same thing for these other containers. So we'll center that one. And also we will center this one as well. Scrolling down, now also I do want to mention that you can also manipulate each specific element and you can also hide elements on specific devices. So for example, maybe for this specific text, you want to make this text larger. So for the style section under typography, I'll make sure the tablet portrait is selected and then we can increase the size of this specific text. Now again, this is only being applied for the tablet devices. Now let's say, for example, sometimes you have images that are just way too large. We can hide specific elements for specific devices. Here I'll click on the pencil icon and go to the advanced section. We're gonna scroll down, just keep scrolling, and we're gonna find responsive. Here I can choose to hide this on tablet portraits. So I'll go ahead and hide this, and I'll also hide this on mobile. Now what's really cool with this is you can also do this for sections and even columns. So you can use that for columns, sections, and elements. Scrolling down, I think everything else looks pretty good here. Maybe this section might need a little bit of work. I'll go ahead and make sure this is in the centered. Okay, and then also we're going to make sure that this text is also in the centered. This section here will actually propagate more products. So I know it doesn't look that optimized, but once we have more products, it'll look really clean. Scrolling down, I think that's everything. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And this here is our footer. Now let's go ahead and click on the mobile portraits. Now for the mobile portraits, we can go ahead and either change the background or we can leave this. And scrolling down, I think everything is optimized by default, but we can just take a quick look here, make sure everything looks good. Jackets looks good, sweaters and everything else. But yeah, here you'll see that the image is grayed out, and that's because we hid it for the mobile devices. So you just want to make sure that you go through your website and fully optimize all parts of your website just to make sure that it's optimized for all devices. Now, if we click on the desktop, you're going to see the background change. So right now it sees closed in the background, but if we make it on the desktop, it will then rechange it to the actual guy right here because this is the default image for desktop devices. So that is how you can fully optimize your website for all devices. Once you're done, you'll just click on publish.